Variables are strongly typed in C. That means that the token representing a variable represents both its value and its type. Let's make a working copy of working.c, copy and paste, and open it up in our editor here. And I'm going to go ahead and declare a variable. I'm just going to say int I, like that. So this statement is a variable definition. It defines the type of the variable, and it allocates space of a size sufficient to hold a value of that type. This variable is an integer. Currently, it has no assigned value, so it's said to be undefined. An undefined variable is a dangerous thing, so be sure to always assign a value to a variable. So let's go ahead and give it a value. I'll give it 7. A variable definition is also a variable declaration. The distinction exists only really for external variables, and we'll talk about external variables later on in this course. Under many circumstances, you'll both declare and initialize a variable at once, like I have here. Or we can do something like that and declare and define a character string. Now, once that character string is declared and defined, we can actually use it here. And when I compile this, it'll probably complain about I being unused. Save it and run it. And so we get a little warning there, you see, because I is unused. That's a nice feature of Eclipse. But here we have declared and defined this variable, and we've initialized it with the value of this constant string, and we've printed it. So in C, all variables must be declared before they can be used. In other words, if I didn't declare and define it like that, and I tried to use it, we get an error, and we can see Eclipse will give us that error right away. Symbol S could not be resolved. The fundamental types available for variables are covered in more detail in the data types chapter. So now let's go ahead and delete and clean so that we're prepared for the next lesson.